here, Georgie. Yeah, come here, baby. Ooh, you're all wet. You were just outside, weren't you? Yeah. Hello, everybody. So this is a special edition of a conversation from April's Messy Kitchen. Today is March the 7th, and something happened yesterday that has changed our lives forever. We have 3 Havanese dogs, as you know. Well, now we only have 2 because Mr. Stanley passed away yesterday, suddenly, when we took him for a walk. His heart gave out on him and he collapsed and died. I got him to the vet, but there weren't any doctors on call, and so I took him up to the vet ER, and there was a team waiting for us of doctors, and they took him in, and they did everything they could, but he was already gone. He was already gone by the time I got him into the car. And we know now that there was something wrong. He had a congenital heart defect, and it came from his mom and dad. His mom carried it, his dad carried it, so when they had puppies, the puppies got it, and Stanley was from their first litter, so Stanley got it. It wasn't detected though, because I didn't know to report it. We just knew there was something wrong with his heart, because every time his heart would beat, his whole body would shake like this. It was visible. We could see it just like that. And sometimes when he would run around the yard at night, he would fall over and quiver a little bit and then get back up and recover. I always thought that was like a epilepsy or a seizure of some kind, but now I know it was his heart. So on our walk home yesterday, John had him up in his arms a little bit. We did that a lot because we knew it was kind of strenuous for him to even have a 20-minute walk. But John put him down, and he was barking at the car that went by, which he loved to do, and he loved to go on a walk. And he had one of those seizures, and he fell over on his side and didn't recover, and he passed away. So now we have 2. Oliver's over there, and George is here, of course. But our house dynamics definitely are different right now, and it's hard for us. The breeder told us that she's going to replace him, and she has a litter that's going to be born in April, so we get to pick a boy from that litter, and so in July we'll have another doggy in the house. And this is Oliver, and I wanted to mention this. The breeder now knows what caused the congenital heart defect. The mommy and the daddy of him and Stanley carried the gene, so when they bred together, it caused some of the puppies to have that defect. Oliver doesn't have it, but Stanley did. And 2 of Oliver's siblings also had it, and they have a choice. They can either euthanize the puppies or give the puppies away to people that realize that these puppies will only live maybe 2 years, and that's what Stanley lived. So to stop that from happening, the vet said, just don't breed those 2 together, breed them with other dogs. So that's what they've done, and they've had subsequent litters and no heart defects whatsoever in those puppies. So the puppy that we're going to get, that's going to be born in April, that's just next month. And the one we'll get around July, it's not going to have a heart defect. It's going to be a stepbrother to you, yeah. So we look forward to that. And I appreciate you listening to me talking about this. And it's just hard. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you what happened. And I'll get some more recipes made and uploaded, but thanks for being here and listening to me. Sorry. And if you're so inclined, please offer a prayer for us of comfort and peace. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.